Look, we've all gotten used to outdoor dining, but have you ever thought about your safety? But not for COVID, but whether or not a car would crash into you while you are dining. Thankfully, nobody hurt here or dining inside this when it happened, but it makes you think, is this safe?
That's shocking.
That's shocking.
That's really scary.
Makes you think about it, right?
Yes, I thought it might have been the weather.
Onlookers in disbelief over what took place here at the corner of 18th and Samson early Friday morning, a vehicle slamming into an empty outdoor dining setup. Sparking a question in a lot of outdoor dining enthusiasts that they admittedly never asked themselves before.
I guess I never thought of anything like that happening, and if I were to be sitting in that, what do you do?
I mean, they're not really going fast down here because of them things. But they're blocking all the streets off. You can't get around.
No injuries were reported, but the entire structure made its way halfway down the block, eventually slamming into a building before stopping.
Oh, wow. Oh, man.
It's a little dangerous.
Restaurant staff nearby doing their best to clean up the mess that closed part of the street. Some thought the entire thing was actually a Hollywood film.
We thought this was a movie set, actually. Like something was going on here with the camera and like action scenes or something like that.
Does it make you think twice about eating in one of these?
Yes.
Yes.
At least one person we talked to says this highlights the need for zero cars on the roads where there's outdoor dining.
There should be nobody driving down 18th Street. We have it set up here great, on 13th it's great, but just close off the streets.
We did reach out to ownership of Tria Cafe Rittenhouse several times, but they did not reply back with a comment. In Center City, Marcus Espinoza, Fox 29 News.